Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the monitor and control project work. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, monitor and control project work is the process of tracking, reviewing and reporting the overall progress to meet the performance objectives defined in the project management plan. The key benefit of this process are that it allows stakeholders to understand the current state of the project, to recognize the actions taken to address any performance issues, and to have visibility into the future project status with cost and schedule forecast. This process is performed throughout the project. The inputs, tools and techniques and output of this process will be discussed in more detail. Monitoring is an aspect of project management performed throughout the project. Okay, and this is a process which goes through overall the project. Monitoring includes collecting, measuring, and assessing measurements and trends to affect project process improvements. Continuous monitoring gives the project management team insights into the health of the project and identifies any areas that may require special attention. Control includes determining corrective or preventive actions or replanning and following up on action plans to determine whether the actions taken resolve the performance issues. The project management monitoring and controlling starts as soon as a project begins. Monitoring and controlling project work is the process of tracking, reviewing, and regulating the process in order to meet the performance objectives. It is the fourth process group in project management. From the perspective of knowledge management area, this involves the management tasks such as tracking, reviewing, and reporting the progress of a project. Moreover, this process is majorly concerned with measuring the actual performance against the planned performance, assessing performance to determine whether or not any corrective or preventive actions are indicated. The status is reported and or appropriate risk response plans are being executed. Maintaining an accurate, timely information base concerned with the project output and its associated documentation till project completion. Providing information to support status reporting, progress management, measurement and forecasting. Providing forecast to update current cost and current schedule information. Monitoring implementation of approved changes as they occur. Monitoring and controlling project work, tracking the actual project performance with the planned project management activities. It can mainly be looked as a control function that takes place at all stages of a project. For example, from initiation through closing. For small projects, monitoring and controlling project work is comparatively as a easy task. However, as you are aware, project management is more stringently required for large projects where the project manager requires a formal effort to monitor and control how the processes are going. He or she will not be personally involved in performing project work in large projects. Please note the confusing terms in the exam. Monitoring and controlling project work may just be referring to the integration process and may not be talking about the entire monitoring and controlling process group. Some of the outputs of the monitoring and controlling project work includes like change request, update to the project management plan, and update to the project document. This process of monitoring and controlling project work is extremely important, as it can happen that you are able to complete the project on time, however have not been able to meet the desired quality levels. Similarly, your project has increased scope, however have exceeded limits of time and cost. The project manager must balance the requirements of different knowledge areas to control the project through monitor and control project work. Project managers create performance measures or use existing organizational performance measures to identify project performance at regular intervals during the course of the project. Monitoring and controlling project work involve monitoring any other performance measure that the project manager has created or used for this project. When you think about monitoring and controlling project work, you should take into consideration that it is measuring against the project management plan. With this process, we are moving to the monitoring and controlling process group. The work that is being done in the process for 4.23 direct and managed project work is tracked and reviewed to see if it is meeting with the performance objectives defined in the project management plan. The result of the analysis are then reported to various stakeholders. If the analysis shows that there is a variance from the project plan, then corrective action in the form of change request may be recommended. Now the inputs. The input to the process of project monitoring and controlling work are project management plan, schedule forecast, cost forecast, validated changes, work performance information, enterprise environmental factors, organizational process assets. Now the tools and techniques we can discuss about. What are the tools and techniques? It includes the expert judgment, analytical techniques, project management information systems, and meetings. The outputs include change request, work performance reports, project management plan update, and project document updates. So these are the outputs. So then friend, the analytical techniques, there are different types of analytical techniques that are applied in project management to forecast potential outcomes based on possible variations of project or in environmental variables and their relationships with other variables. Some of them are regression analysis, grouping methods, causal analysis, root cause analysis, forecasting methods, failure mode, reserve analysis, trend analysis, earned value analysis, and variance analysis. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.